Alright, video number 20. So now I will show you how to combine two positions of your right hand whilst you play the scale. So look, 1, 2, 3. Then we need to play note F with our first finger. And don't just raise your hand and play F with your first finger. Look, 1, 2, 3. And then put your thumb just underneath your palm. And then, very carefully, move your hand further. And when you play backwards, you need to play E with your third finger. So put your third finger just above the thumb. And then move your hand. Yeah? So don't just change the positions like this. Yeah? They need float from one position to the second one very smoothly. Yeah? Alright. Good luck.